100 or something, the answer would be 3.
And it's 3. Okay. Um,
Yeah.
okay, walk me through to understand why it's 3 again, real quick. Sorry, sorry.
Okay. So
You have 0,
so
1.
essentially it's 3 because the small between this range, so you have this range 0, 1 to 2, right?
Yes.
Um, that's good. But I guess this is like disjoint, so 100's like all the way down here. Um, so it given this array, you would have to find the smallest number that doesn't exist. So,
Oh, I
and it has to
see.
be continuous. So
I see, I
it'd
see.
be three.
That
Yep.
makes sense. I understand the problem. Um, okay. Let me just think about how I could actually solve this problem.
Mhm.
Um, hmm. Yeah, this is a pretty straightforward problem. I'm trying to think
Mhm.
about how I could optimize it.
Right.
Okay. Um, I'm gonna use a set, just so it can be O of 1,
Mhm.
when I find the missing integer, because O of 1 lookup time.
Mhm.
Here, I guess I'll comment too. Okay. Um, and now we just gotta iterate through the array from
Mhm.
0 to find the missing integer. So the length of the array, length of the array. Um, so we're iterating through it through the array. Um, yeah. Okay. This looks fine. This looks fine. Um, so to know if, and another reason why we're using a set is because it's a good way to detect a missing number.
Mhm.
Because when you add it into the set like 0, 1, 2, 3, you're gonna see that 4 won't exist if you check for the plus one of this actually. So we have to
Mhm.
check for the plus one. Okay. And if I is not in num set, oops, sorry, num set, you can just return I. And this is just the current number that's missing.
Mhm.
Okay. Um, I think that's, if I'm not mistaken, that might be it. But let me just think.
Mhm.
Yeah, let me try running this code if that's okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
I think the one thing you'd have to think about is let's say you had what if you had a case scenario because I don't think it's guaranteed if
okay.
the the array's in order. So like let's say you had something like 1 2 53, what would the answer be here? It'd be
So I should sort it. That's what you're
yeah,
saying.
it would be 4. So yep,
Okay.
you'd have to sort through that.
I think this is how I use the sorted function actually, if I'm not mistaken.
Mhm.
Is it like that? Sorted? I think.
Um,
Or array dot sort.
sorry, I don't know. Your thing isn't. Oh, it's not typing.
Oh, I'm on top. I'm on top of the code.
Uh, wait, this thing? It just says using set because
Oh, really? You don't see the when I type right here?
no. Oh yeah, no, I'm not seeing you type.
What's okay? Well, I'm sorting the array. Okay, let me just run it just to
Okay,
see.
yeah, you do have to sort that.
Okay, it's not
Hmm,
returning anything for some reason.
let me see. Let me try to run it myself.
Here, I'll try relogging in real quick. Okay. Oh yeah, you should see it now. I guess like it didn't register.
Oh yeah, no, okay, now I see you typing in there.
Yeah, I guess it's. So is this how you use the sort? I think this is how you use the sorted function, right? This O of n.
Yeah. Yeah, so you do, or you could just do array dot sort. I guess that's usually what I do. R dot sort, and then
Like that.
yeah, I think so, right?
Okay. Hmm.
Mm.
You actually okay, but if you use a set, I don't think you need to sort, because it'll still find the missing number. But okay, let me try it without a set, and
Okay,
let's
yeah,
see if that works. Uh,
sure.
Let me run the code. Wait, for some reason there's no output. Oh, okay.
Oh, cool, it worked. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it does work. Okay, yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
because the set, it's gonna scan
Hmm.
through. So we convert it to a set, and a set is like one of the data structures that a lot of people use to find a missing number. And this
Hmm.
problem, it's very similar to what I solved on LeetCode. It's called like find missing number or something. But
Yeah, yeah, I remember this one as well. Like the wait, so actually with the set, because the way I did it, I didn't use the set, I just used the sorted method to do it.
I
Like
see.
you
But
sort it and then just like
makes
and
sense.
just iterate through it.
That
Um,
makes sense.
but with this set, then would it automatically, like, so if you were to give it like this example, 1, 2, 53,
Mm-hmm.
um, would it insert then in like ascending order, 1, 2, 3, and then 50?
No, it'll actually do it in the same order, but
Okay.
since we're doing this for loop right here, it's checking for the plus one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. It's check. Okay, okay. I see what you're saying. I
If
see
that
what
makes
you're saying.
sense. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, that's what
Um.
I mean. Because you're checking it from range one
Yeah.
to the
So
length of it. So this needs to be. This will just check to see if it's 4.
yeah,
Um,
I'm not physically
okay.
accessing the array like this. I'm
Hmm.
actually like looping through numbers, starting from
Yeah.
zero. So
Okay. Okay. Cool.
wait, does that mean I passed all test cases, or is there like a way to like
Yeah, it
submit?
says you passed all the test cases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, because there's two things with this. I guess well, I guess technically the question was, can you do it without modifying the input array, and then can you do it
I guess that's
with
sorting it.
modifying the input array? But yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that would be sorting and then not
Yeah.
sorting. So,
Uh,
hmm.
yeah, I'll talk about the space and time complexity. The time complexity
Hmm.
is definitely O of n, um,
Hmm.
because we have to add all of these values into the set, and then we're also looping through it. And
Hmm.
the space complexity is O of n as well because the set has to hold every value of that array
Hmm.
as well, or O of n
That
plus
makes
one,
sense.
but I think it simplifies to O of n.
Yep. Right. Right. Right.
Um,
Cool.
yeah. Any? I guess this is like a too simple one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Any?
a really simple one. Yeah.
Okay.
Um.
Do you
Yeah.
have any feedback? I guess.
Yeah. I guess like. I guess yeah, I don't really have that much feedback for you just because this is a pretty straightforward one,
Yeah,
pretty
this was
quickly.
pretty. This is like,
Yeah.
yeah,
But no, I guess like one thing maybe like since it was kind of a simple one, you could have like maybe just walked through the solution, um, just even at like a high level to say like, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Like because it
okay,
is like a pretty simple one, so it wasn't gonna take you that long to code it anyways.
yeah,
So
because you're
maybe
gonna
just
walk through
like
it.
use that opportunity to like really show like other parts of like
Yeah,
you being like a good developer and stuff and like
yeah,
yeah,
that definitely
things like
makes sense.
that. Hmm.
Would you say you would hire me after this one though, or not?
I'd say I'd hire you. I mean, yeah,
Okay,
you know how to code, so that's really you'd be
okay,
surprised how many people like just don't know how to code in the industry. So like,
okay. Yeah,
yeah.
that's good. Yeah, that's what I was curious about. But hey,
Hmm.
it's actually great to meet you. Do you want to like connect on LinkedIn or something? Uh, oh, oh, hello? Hmm. Well, I guess that's the end of the interview, but I forgot to introduce the problem earlier, but it says getting a different number, given an array of unique non-negative numbers, implement a function get different number, and basically we have this input array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 1, 2, 3. We return 4 because that's the missing number that would go next. If it was like 0, 1, 2, it should return 3. If it was like 0, 1, 3, it should return 2. But yeah, thank you.